Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of x from this equation. We are given that 4x raised to the power of negative 3 is equal to negative 32. To solve for the value of x from this equation, the first thing we need to do is to eliminate this coefficient of x to the power of negative 3, which is this 4. And to eliminate this 4, we are going to divide both sides by 4. So when we do that, we divide the left hand side by 4 and also the right hand side by 4. So that this 4 is going to cancel this 4. In the left hand side, we are left with just x raised to the power of negative 3, which is equal to negative 32 divided by 4 is going to give us negative 8. Now, the next thing we're going to do, as you can see, the power here is negative. So we're going to recall that when we have x raised to the power of negative y, this is the same as y 1 over x raised to the power of what? Positive y. This negative power, when it comes down, is going to change to positive. So that's why we have 1 all over x raised to the power of y. So in this case, when we write 1 here over, bring the whole of this thing to the denominator, the power is going to change from negative to positive. Then everything will be equal to negative 8. So the next step here, we can use different method, but let's use cross multiplication. So x raised to the power of 3 multiplied by negative 8 is going to give us negative 8x to the power of 3, which is equal to this one multiplied by, this is just ordinary 1 because here is the same as 1, then 1 multiplied by 1 is the same as 1. So the next step is to divide both sides by this negative 8. So we divide the left hand side by negative 8, then the right hand side by negative 8. So this is going to cancel. We have x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 1 over negative 8. Now from here, what are we going to do? We need to eliminate this power 3. And to do that, we're going to take the cube root of both sides. So we take the cube root of the left hand side and also do the same thing to the right hand side. So that this cube root is going to eliminate this cube. So in the left hand side, we are left with just x, which is equal to cube root of 1 over minus 8. When we take the cube root of 1, it's going to be 1 because 1 multiplied by itself 3 times is going to give us 1. Then over cube root of negative 8. When you take the cube root of negative 8, it's going to give us negative 2 because negative 2 multiplied by itself 3 times is going to give us 8. So therefore, it's going to be negative 2. So therefore, the value of x is now going to be negative 1 over 2. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also follow this page for more videos like this.